Hey, what's up, y'all? It's been a minute since y'all seen me on the four-wheeler. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I've been slacking on the videos. I know I'll be uploading like once a month now. I don't know, I just ain't really been on the grind. I know I say this all the time, but I just been a lot more busy. I mean, I'm working this summer, like an actual job. We get off like 5 or 6 every day. And if I don't go somewhere and do something, I normally just don't feel like getting on the phone or making a video, you know? I just want to like come home and relax for a little while. But I'm back. We got a lot of rain. The creek should have some water in it. I hope the GoPro still works good. I ain't broke this thing out in a minute. I bought a box for my subs, a new one. I got an amp and some other stuff for my truck. So yeah, that's nice. There's a rabbit right there. I hope it ain't too high, because I ain't even trying to sink my four-wheeler on stalks. And I just know these things float, they're going to float too bad. So I really ain't trying to go in the water or nothing, just if it's deep and the current's too bad. It's about time for a top end rebuild on here, I ain't even gonna lie. It's burning old bad, like it'll start making awful noises, you can hear it grinding when it gets low on the oil, but you can just add oil and it'll run like it's brand new. It's weird. And we'll go in it. Hold up though, I'm gonna make sure this on good because I added oil the other day. Yeah, it is. But yeah, it's about time for a top end rebuild. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I need to order a rebuild kit. I'm trying to get it set up, but at the same time I got so much other stuff I need to buy, so like it's hard to make decisions, you know. And I'm pretty broke right now. I gotta wait till I get paid again. Hopefully this don't float too bad. I feel like it is for sure. Man, it ain't as bad as I thought. That's the first time I've been over to race in a little minute, I think. Stalks, dude, because they don't get any traction and the front end don't kick up like the 28s used to. I think I'm finna try and back up over here. I don't know though, I feel like the stalks ain't gonna handle that well. We'll try it. think we're gonna be able to. Yeah, we're floating bad. Holy wow. I guess we are backing up, never mind. I don't know when that limb fell. Ooh. Shoot. I have no clue when this video is going to get uploaded, to be honest with y'all. I'm recording this on a Monday. If it's uploaded Monday, I'd be surprised. I'm going to try to upload it Wednesday or Tuesday. Dang. I don't even want to wheel in second gear no more, bro. I mean, it wheel on flat land, but up the hill it don't. Ran into that. My mama ran into that, bro. Because she tried to move this and she didn't know this was the only brake that works. She tried to use the foot brake and ran into the wall. Well, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and sub. Sorry for taking a break for a minute. It's on me.